In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Intersport promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up Intersport promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna scroll down until you see this website couponbirds.com. You're gonna click on this website and you're gonna wait for it to load. So once it's loaded, you're gonna see many promo codes. So the first one is up to 60% off with this promo code, so you can click on it. Okay, and as you guys can see, this promo code Planet SKI is gonna give you a 60% off. So all you have to do is click copy, click on this link, continue to the website, and use this code at checkout. Alright, so there are many other codes here. For example, save 10% off on your order with this code, so you can click on it. You're gonna wait for the website to load. Might take a bit of time. I'm gonna give it some time. Alright, so as you can see, this one save 10% off. This is the code SPR23 and that's gonna give you a 10% discount. Well, I'm gonna head to some other website and show you a few more codes. Next, you can head over to this website vthrift.com. So I'm gonna click on it. So once you're on this website, you're gonna see many coupon codes again. So the first one is 20% off everything. So you can just click copy the code. After payday is the code, and as you guys can see, the success rate is 71, so it might work. So yeah, so alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.